Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing two flavors from Crepe Liquid. Based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, Crepe Liquid are 70 VG, 30 PG blends, available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Strawberry Crisp is a strawberry buttercream filled crepe combined with the Rice Krispie treats. The smell is creamy strawberry notes. The inhale is sweet ripe strawberries, with sweet vanilla, buttercream, and pastry lingering on the exhale. Banana Toast Crunch is a banana crepe filled with cinnamon toast cereal and loaded with fresh whipped cream. The smell is predominantly banana with light hints of cinnamon. For the inhale, I mostly get a sweet pastry banana with creamy sweet cinnamon on the exhale. Both these flavors are amazing and I couldn't pick a favorite. For me, Strawberry Crisp would be much like vaping a strawberry starburst, but better. Banana Toast Crunch has strong notes of banana with just the right amount of cinnamon, making for a delicious vape. Overall, I'm very impressed with the predominant notes and how they work together. Hopefully they'll add more flavors to the lineup. Crepe Liquid currently runs $24.99 per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to pick up some for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day and may the vape be with you.